Good morning. Late last week, the James Webb Space Telescope took a giant step forward toward its planned launch in 2018. NASA announced that the telescope's segmented mirror is now complete. This image shows the view inside a massive clean room at Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland. That's where they're building the mirror. What you're seeing is a robotic arm installing the 18th and final mirror segment. The project's manager, Bill Oakes, said that now that the mirror is complete, he and his team are going to start installing the other optics and testing all of the telescope's components. Once it's ready, the telescope will be launched by an Ariane 5 rocket and carried to a point 1 million miles from Earth. It'll orbit the Sun at the L2 point of the Earth-Sun system. The telescope will travel folded up inside the spacecraft, and as it moves toward its destination in space, it'll begin unfolding. The mirror segments, by the way, are made of ultra-lightweight beryllium chosen especially for the trip to space. The telescope's biggest feature is a 5-layer sunscreen as big as a tennis court. This screen will protect the telescope's sensitive optics from the sun's light and heat. Ultimately, the James Webb Space Telescope will have 7 times the collecting area of the Hubble Space Telescope. That's because once it's in space and fully deployed, the 18 primary mirror segments will work together as one large mirror 21 feet in diameter. That'll make the James Webb Telescope by far the biggest and most powerful space telescope ever launched, coming up in 2018. In other news, another great Saturn mystery. It turns out that the most opaque parts of Saturn's rings, the parts that look most dense, don't actually contain the most material. In other words, the apparent density of Saturn's rings is an illusion. Scientists analyzed data from NASA's Cassini spacecraft mission, obtained when Cassini peered through the rings toward a bright star. Lead study author Matthew Hedman said it's not clear how separate areas of the rings containing the same amount of material can look so different. If you look, you can still see Saturn. And in fact, you can see all 5 bright planets at once before dawn, but not for much longer now. This photo is by John Ashley, who captured it near Austin, Texas, at a place called Enchanted Rock. The moon has now swept past all the planets, and it's about to return to the evening sky, but Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars, and Jupiter, all 5 of them are still up before dawn, and they'll remain visible before dawn through at least mid-February. So then Mercury will slip back into the dawn. So get out there and see all 5 planets together this week if you can. That's all for today.